Welcome! In today's test, we will compare two professional cooking systems from Nayati, the NGTR Gas Range and the NEIC Induction Cooker. Both units are designed for commercial kitchens and deliver reliable performance for daily cooking operations. The NGTR uses a traditional gas burner system that many chefs prefer for its direct flame and strong heat control. Meanwhile, the NEIC uses induction technology, which transfers energy directly to the cookware for fast and efficient heating. In this test, we will compare how quickly each system can heat water to 95 degrees Celsius. We begin with the NGTR gas range. For this test, the burner is set to 3.5 kilowatts, representing one standard burner power level. The pot is filled with water and placed on the cast iron pan support. Once the burner is ignited, heat is transferred from the open flame to the cookware. After 4 minutes and 34 seconds, the water temperature reaches 95 degrees Celsius.
Next, we test the NEIC Induction Cooker using the same power level of 3.5 kilowatts. The pot is placed directly on the ceramic glass cooking surface. In this test, the water reaches 95 degrees Celsius in 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
In conclusion, with the same power level, the induction system heats approximately 2 times faster than the gas burner. This happens because induction technology generates heat directly in the cookware through a magnetic field, allowing energy to be transferred more efficiently.